Albert Chavez, turn signal switch test. My turn signal switch test harness is connected to the turn signal switch circuit on your turn signal switch. So here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, then we'll switch the circuit to the brake light circuits, which will turn on and off when the turn signal switch is actuated. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Next, we will switch the harness so that the opposite brake lights are on when the turn signal switch is actuated. This will come on. Now both filaments in the light bulb are on, and so the dim one you can't really see when it turns off, but the bright one you can. So that will be the right light, that will be the left light. That will be the right light, that'll be the left light. Okay, so turn signal switch circuits and brake light circuits work. Next, we will test the high-low beam switch with a different harness. And you will see that the switch it comes on when the harness is hooked up, because the switch is always on. There's always electricity passing through it. So, momentito here. You can see I have two light bulbs hooked up. One automatically comes on. Pull back on the lever. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So with that, you can see that you have a fully functioning 240Z turn signal switch. Thank you for your business.